So if you're looking at building thinking classrooms, you've heard a little bit about it, but you don't know much about it, go up to the link. I have everything that you need. So there's a book out. It's just math, but really, honestly, get the book. I've got everything that you need up in my link. Just go to my storefront and everything's there organized for you for you to have a successful building thinking classroom. This is my 3rd year to do it. I've been teaching for over 20 years and I have everything that you need. So first get the book. It's orange. It's an orange cover book. Go get it. And so I have it all linked for you, so you don't even have to do any of the hard work. I've literally done it all for you. So go get the link, and you can learn about building thinking classrooms. So what Peter says in the book is start with non-curricular tasks. I don't have time for that. So here's my first task. It's available in my TPT, so make sure you follow along. I've just started. There's only a few products in there, but I promise I have tons more. I just need to get them downloaded in there. It's the things that I've used to make my classroom successful. I'm a Master Distinguished Teacher. I had one kid fill the star, and most of my meets or mastered, I was like at 48% mastery. And I only had less than 10% approach, and the rest were meets and masters. So this is pushing them beyond. This is giving them critical thinking skills. So the first task I do that's available for you is, because I do curricular tasks, even though he says not to do, and do non-curricular because I don't have time for that. So I make it kind of fun where it's really low risk and high reward, basically. So I give them a set of words. So I have over 20 in my resource. I only printed out a few just so I could show you, since I'm at home using my ink instead of the school ink. And so anyway, so I give these words. And so I put one word in each. So I normally do, and I haven't received my roster this year, I normally do 6 groups. And so each one, and you'll need, pocket folders and all the things. I've got you. I've done all the shopping for you. Just go up to the link, go to my Amazon store. The link there will take you to all the products you need for all of this. And then this is in my TPT store. And so what I do is I put this around the room, and they have to describe angry without saying angry. So fists clenched, red face, stomping, arms crossed, however they want to, in a full sentence, and the best one wins, because it's all about competition. So I have angry, and we rotate every 2 minutes. So they get 2 minutes to come up with sad without telling me sad, and then they rotate, and then they rotate, and it goes real fast, and then we go through and we pick the winners. And so I have over 20 of these, and I do have a blank one for you. It has teacher directions in there. And if you follow along with my channel here, I will, when we go to school, I do this the first week. So probably the 2nd or the 3rd day of school, I'm going to film and I'm going to show you what my kids did. So make sure you follow and subscribe, because all these products that are in my TPT store, I'm going to show you how I use them in class, like real life. I'm going to show you what the kids come up with, all the things. So make sure that you are following along so you can see what it should look like in your room. And maybe you're just a couple of days behind me, because these resources will be available for you. And then I've done it, you see what it's supposed to look like, and then you turn around and replicate it in your room. So if you have any questions, reach out. Make sure you follow on my TPT so you can get updated information about when I add new products, because literally I've just started it. So I'm letting you know right now, go do that. Make sure you follow along on my channel so you can get all of the updates. Happy teaching.